That Texas heat is right around the corner. But getting into your car this summer does not have to be miserable. At Car Toys, we have upgrades to keep you cool. Tinting your vehicle is no longer just about looks. Modern film technology blocks serious heat, and you no longer have to go dark to get the benefits. Our ceramic films reject a ton of solar energy and a lot of infrared heat, keeping your vehicle noticeably cooler on hot Texas days. Can you find it cheaper somewhere else? Sure, but our tint jobs don't come with bubbles a few months later. At Car Toys, we only use high-quality film and precision-cut every pattern with a plotter, all installed by trained professional technicians. We even back it with a lifetime warranty. This summer, beat the heat, Texans, with Car Toys.
Car Toys, a better way